WITSON.
I'm going to show you today's install, which was done on a Mercedes-Benz X-Class. So this fits the 2002 here. You can go full screen if you want, but it does tend to be a little bit stretched. This is our 12.3 inch screen, and also we do have a 10.25 inch screen, which is a little bit smaller than that, as you would gather. Okay, so if you want to go over to the original menu of the car, over to the Android menu of the car, just simply either press the touchscreen, or you can hold down the back button, which is in between the seats, and then that takes you over to the Android system. So as you can see, this design here is all designed on the NTG6, which is in newer cars today. This is your home page here, which obviously you can see navigation, music, phone, global weather, car info. Looks a little bit similar to what you get in the BMWs, Mercedes today, should I say. So there's your navigation. So if you wanted to put any maps of choice on there, you've put the Google Maps on there at the moment, which is an online app, so that's why you're not getting any information on there, because you do need to connect your phone to it as a hotspot, or alternatively, you have like a little SIM card holder here, just behind here, which you can put a SIM card into. Okay, your music app here, which is basically, let me just lower it down. It does work with the steering wheel controls, as you can hear me in the background. This is just demo tracks which have been put on there just for allow you to test them, the output during the install. So you can put all your movies or your music into a pen drive and play it through the system. This is the, one second, let me go out. So there's your video app there too, so obviously it's a full HD screen. Again, put your movies onto a pen drive and watch all your movies through there too. Let me just go back onto here, so there's your phone. So this is where you would pair your phone to for your Bluetooth and your music streaming. Alternatively, you've got the Z-Link Android Auto app, which is here, but as I say, you do need to connect your phone to it, which gives you Android Auto or Carplay. I'm just going to be a little bit quick today, guys, because the customer's not wanting to go. Got the global weather, so obviously this is another app which basically loads up your local weather station. Again, another online app which you're going to use to do that one. Okay, that car info just takes you back to the original screen, as you can see there. Press the touch screen, go back into this here. So go over to this one here, there's your back end settings. So obviously little things you can tweak during the install, like your sound, your settings. It works with the original camera too, language settings, time, system info. Just to show you, 1 second. Let's have a little look. It's a 464 gig standard, this one. Android, so there's your Android settings here for your network, storage, display, etc, etc. You've also got, let's have a look, dashboard here. It shows you the speedometer and also revs per minute. 1 second, go back down. You've also got all your application center here, so this is where all your apps go into. Any apps on the firmware are ready in here. Also, they're already on the home page. Just bear with 1 second. So there's your DSP sound processor center, so it comes with DSP processor built into it. Customize the output on the system, will also work with the car's amp, so you got the best of both worlds. And this, as I said, this is where your apps will be built into, and any apps that you download from the Play Store will be loaded onto the application center, so everything's just in there. Okay, so I'll just keep it brief today, guys. Hope you liked the video.
WITSON.